Hello, my beautiful friends. Welcome. My name is Christina Marie. I do beauty reviews, tutorials, unboxings, lots of unboxings, and lots of giveaways. We're going to be unboxing the July Boxycharm base box, as well as having a giveaway in this video. Speaking of giveaways, I always do an eyeshadow palette giveaway for a month. So for the month of July, it is the Ace Beauté Slice of Paradise palette. I'll put a link for that as well as my many other giveaways going on for you in this description box down below. I do have a code for Boxycharm if you'd like to check them out. It will save you some extra money and it gives me some extra bonus points as well. I really love Boxycharm. They do a lot of skincare and makeup, and you could set your preferences. However, there's kind of like a beauty quiz you take, and you could to talk about hair color, eye color, what products you like, what you don't like, and you could say, do you want more skincare, do you want more makeup? And I kind of did mine about half and half. So this is the base box. It does come out every month for $25. You can, and it's 5 full-size items for that. And then they do have the plus, which will be my next video because I just got that in the mail as well. And that has 6 full-size items for $35. So let's find out what's in the base box. There is a card that comes with it. Mine is version number 31. So like I said, one of these products we will be giving away. So whenever I get a box anymore, because I've had some kind of bad luck with palettes, the first thing that I do is I go and I check to make sure that the palettes are okay. I don't really pay attention to the rest of the stuff. Just to make sure there isn't a shattered eyeshadow that I need to address with the company. So here is the Pure Cosmetics. This is the Festival 2.0. I think last year we got a Festival palette as well. It says, get into a state of intense euphoria with this shimmer-infused 12-piece pressed pigment palette that instantly coats lids in a dreamy, irresistible color that shines fully loaded with striking light, reflective formulas. These cruelty-free pigments come complete with matte and transition shades. Do like this. Does retail for $36. So when I opened it up, this shade VIP Pass was shattered all over. I kind of put it back in, pressed it back into place, used my alcohol and everything like that to kind of seal it back in. So it's usable now, but I'm bummed because I do monthly eyeshadow palette giveaways. So I was gonna save this for one of those, can't now, but I did contact them and they said that they were gonna send out a new one. Let you know if that happens. So let me know if you want me to do like a multiple look series from this palette. I mean, there's some really pretty shades in here. You know me, I'm a sucker for shimmers. There's a Vibes right here. Hello. I mean, look how pretty that is. And then let's do Euphoria and Electric, these two kind of blues down here. Ooh, that's really pretty. This one's more like almost like a seagrass green. And then let's try this Fantasy World, the purple. More like a satin finish. It's pretty. So I mean, there's some pretty shades in here. I just wish that it didn't come all busted. Here's that VIP Pass. Let's do that one really quick too. That was the one that came busted. Oh, it's almost like a greenish gray. So let me know if you want to see multiple looks from this one. I'll insert now a picture of what it looked like when it was busted. From 311 Skin, is the NAC Y2 Pollution Defense Booster. It's a daytime booster to fortify your skin, adding the harmful aggressions of the digital age. The unique booster shields the skin against physical and blue light pollution through a powerful combination of peptides and antioxidants. Retails for $135. I can see the blue light. I haven't really thought of that before. And you know your girl's always on my either phone or iPad, filming, editing, researching, all sorts of stuff for you guys. So here's what this looks like. And it's not thick or tacky or anything else. It almost has like a water consistency that easily and fastly absorbs into the skin. So we will check this one out and let you know what I think. Ooh, here's a product from Hourglass. I do love Hourglass products. This is the Arch Brow Micro Sculpting Pencil. This ultra-precise brow pencil designed to impart the thinnest hair-like strokes for microblades-worthy effects without the blade. The 1.4 millimeter tip provides complete control for naturally defined brows. Does retail for $28. Mine is in the shade Dark Brunette, which I think would be a perfect shade for me. Looks like this. It does have a spoolie on this end, which I do love. And then here is the tip. I almost wonder if it's too light for me. We will give it a shot and give it a go. From Grace and Stella is the Anti-Wrinkle plus Energizing Eye Mask. There are 12 pairs in here. And suffering from dark circles, puffy eye bags, fine lines, and general fatigue around your eyes. I know I do that a lot. Perk them up as if you've just had 8 hours of sleep with these eye masks. They're revitalizing and rejuvenating that tired eyes, leaving you looking more youthful and awake. Does retail for $21. So if you don't know, I do a face mask and peels and all that sort of stuff. Okay, I kind of do a review series here on my channel, and right now I'm in the middle of an eye mask series, so I can't wait to throw this in. So be looking for this in an upcoming video. Finally, by Doucce, is the Fierce and Fine Graphic Pen, a deeply pigmented and waterproof organic eyeliner that is easy and effortlessly to apply. The design of the felt tip applicator allows you to create either a thick or thin line depending on the amount of pressure used during application. Does retail for $21. And it's a black pen. Not going to swatch this or anything like that. Just put the lid right back on that guy, because this is what we're going to be giving away in today's video. Let me total up the box of this though. So I think it was a pretty good box. I mean, obviously this threw the totals like way up there. So total of the box was $242. Would I pay $242 for this box? No. I don't know what this, because I never heard of it or tried it or anything like that before. So this one is kind of a wait and see one. The Hourglass one I do like. This one I do like. I'm giving this one away. And then this one I think will be okay. It just came shattered. So let's talk about the giveaway. So like I said before, you must watch my videos in its entirety and be a subscriber in order to win. My giveaways are really easy. I do on Google Forms. I'll put that link in the description box down below. Make sure to fill it out. Only fill it out once, so that way it is fair to everybody. And put your YouTube name on there, so that way I can check, hey, yes, this person is a subscriber, so let's mail them out their package. I do a random number generator. That way it's fair. So if you ask, please pick me, it's not going to help your case anymore. Just make sure to fill out the link down below. YouTube is no way affiliated with this. I did this as a way for me to give back to you. I love giving back to you guys. It is open internationally. I am, though, not responsible for duties, taxes, fees, tariffs, lost in transit, damaged, anything like that for it to get to you. Let's have this giveaway go through August 18th. On August 19th, I'll go ahead and pick the winner. I'll put their first name and first initial of their last name in the comments down below, so that way you can see, yes, I have picked that winner. If you want 2 extra bonus entries, go follow me over on Instagram. That handle is beautyama, A-M-A, and the letter B. And if you share this video, that'll give you an extra bonus entry as well. I'm trying so hard, you guys, to get this thing monetized, but I got to get my watch time hours up. Speaking of which, YouTube will now go ahead, insert a couple other videos for you. If you have the time, check them out. I hope that you have a fabulous rest of your day. Please, please stay safe out there. Take care of yourselves. Take care of one another. And I will see you soon. Good luck in the giveaway. Bye.